Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. I want to introduce myself. My name is Novita Sari. I come from Karawang, West Java, Indonesia. I am 32 years old. I am Muslim. I am married. My last education is junior high school. I have two children. My children number one, 9 years old boy, and number two, 3 years old boy. My last education is junior high school. I have experience work in Karawang 2 years, from 2021 until 2023. My job are cleaning the house, cooking, and tackle children. I cook Indonesian food, example, fried rice and vegetable soup. I can handle, wash, and cook pork, but I can't knead or cook. I'm willing to learn speak English. I am not afraid of dog. I want to go to Singapore because I need more money for my family and my future. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. See you in Singapore.